Hello everyone, happy Independence Day to all of you. I have made a special project for today. For this, you will need 6 by 6 square sheets of orange, white and green. Once you have your cone ready, mark as shown and then cut off the extra from the sides. And there you have a perfect cone for you. Do the same with green and white too. Make 12 pieces of each. Next, take a 10 cm radius cardboard and use gold spray paint to paint it. Once it's done, it should look like this. You can also use acrylic paints or spray paint too. Use Fevikwik to stick the cone. Continue until you complete the circle. Once it's done, it should look like this. Next, you can start with the white layer. Leave some space from the center before you start sticking it. And continue the same process for white too. Once it's done, it should look like this. For the orange layer, it's a bit different. So have a look at the video and follow as shown. You must leave a gap between each cone. Next, in the place where you have left the gap, you can place another cone so that it looks like this. Next, cut a circle with 3 cm radius to place it in the center. And that's it, your model is complete. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please hit that like button, subscribe and share it with all your friends. Thank you for watching. We'll meet you next time.